Well, that's a crack. Well, today we are going to do a couple of things on this 11 Megane. We did timing belt like 2 weeks ago, I'd say. And now he returned to do the rest. Fun belt we didn't have at the time. Brake pads, rear ones, and 2 drop link arms. Easy thing. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you are poor, like me, and you don't want to spend money with mechanics. First things first, on the wheel, obviously. This little thing fails on the SNT as well. Now with a lot of patience. Ooh. Oh, whoop. Top part is done. We move to the bottom. As easy as that. Now we have to put our Allen key in the middle. I don't have an Allen key, so I'm using a Torx. As I said, I'm poor, so we'll do the job anyway. We're going to remove this because of this like play. You can't really see here, but we're going to see it's super soft. It's making noises. I'm going to show you the new one. See, this is the new one. You can hardly play with it, move it. It's super hard, but it's normal. They don't have sides, so don't worry like putting the left one in the right one and the right one on the left one on the left side, so you can exchange them. See, to assemble is exactly the opposite of assembling. Down on the top, new nut, new nut underneath, and let's try gun it. If it works, it's easier, it's faster. Top of it. So 16 on the gun. I think this is 16. Nope. So it's the same as removing it. You put an Allen key out there, an Allen key in this inside. Now you have to yes. Now you tight the nut and untight the bolt. In this case, we're just going to hold it. It's easier. This is a 15. Yeah, it's a 15. With the wrong key. With the wrong spanner. Oh, whoop. It's good. Down to the bottom. Exactly the same. The nut is in. the maximum by hand or with the help of the spanner before you put the Allen key in. It's easier. It's making a little bit of force now. You have to put the Allen key inside to hold it. Allen key in. You could go all the way around if you have the tools. Basically, if you have the Allen key to put on the gun, you can fit on the gun and hold the nuts and untight the Allen key. It's way easier, way faster. I don't have the tools to do that. Mira puta. Opa. So the new drop leg arm is in the place already, as you can see. It's easy to do this. 1, 2, just that. That's the fan belt, and since we already removed this wheel, we are going to replace the belt from here. That plastic thing, push it basically, it come off. Push this inside. Now we have here our tensioner, I don't know. And it's 16, I'd say. I think so. So we have to work. Hopefully I won't lose a tooth. Hopefully I won't lose a finger. Hold one out. So alternator first. That because it's the hardest part. You go alternator. You go compressor, AC compressor, then you go crankshaft pulley, and finally you go for ow, I'm stuck. Finally you go for the tension here. Jesus Christ, you don't have room to put anything. Yeah, it came out of the fucking alternator. It's in again? Yep, yeah, it's in again. It is done. Yeah, I'm fucking good. Jesus. On all the tracks. Yep, it is. So it's time to put everything back together. It's not hard, this part. You can see new timing, the new fan belt. It's all the way up for the alternator. Pass through the alternator and goes all the way down. Now to finish, put it back together. Yeah, it's good. Wheel again, and this side is good to go. Now I'm running against the rain. Fuck. I push this, see, I have to rotate and push at the same time. So to do this, you really need this tool. And you guys aren't seeing anything. Like this. So you really need this tool. Almost, yeah. Now remove the tool again. You can fit the pads again. Side is ready. Let's jump to the other one. Now I have to be fucking fast because it's starting to rain. Wait, and we have a red warning for today. So in no time it's going to be fucking pissing rain. Obviously they had to be fucking seized. Clean a little bit of the rust, because these ones don't come with this metal thing. Open the piston again, this side. Bike side tools are on the rain, so probably tomorrow they'll be fucking rusty. So you bet. Another pad. Caliper. And I'm wet as fuck, playing Euro Millions, otherwise you'll be fucked like me. At least when you are working, there's no call. Oh, little tight. That's good. More than good. Over. Ooh. More than enough. It's good. Finished. Get the wheel. There you go. Well, that's the way that you replace a drop link arm, 2 in this case, rear brake pads, and a fan belt on a 11 Megane. Right, I hope you enjoyed. Press the follow button and just fuck you.